Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful kitchen appliances on the market, the Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System 1500W. If you're in the market for a versatile kitchen companion, you're going to want to stick around for this review. The Ninja BL770 isn't just a blender. It's a complete kitchen system that combines a powerful blender, a food processor, and two Nutri Ninja cups for on-the-go convenience. With a robust 1500 watts of power, this machine can handle everything from smoothies and frozen drinks to food prep and dough mixing. One of the standout features of the BL770 is its total crushing technology. This means it can pulverize ice and frozen fruits in seconds, creating creamy smoothies and frozen drinks with ease. Just watch how quickly it blends everything into a perfect consistency. Look at that texture. It's incredibly smooth and creamy, which is exactly what you want in a smoothie. But that's just the beginning of what this system can do. Switching gears, we can utilize the 64-ounce food processor bowl. It's perfect for chopping vegetables or mixing dough. The Ninja BL770 can handle up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds, making it a baker's dream. The precision chopping blade ensures everything is evenly processed, whether you're making salsa, dough, or prepping ingredients for a meal. The ease of use and efficiency really shine here. And for those of you on the go, the BL770 comes with two 16-ounce Nutri Ninja cups. These are perfect for whipping up personalized nutrient-rich drinks that you can take with you anywhere. Just blend, pop on the lid, and you're ready to hit the road. It's that easy. The BL770 really caters to busy lifestyles while not compromising on nutrition or taste. Now, let's talk about the design. The Ninja BL770 has a sleek black finish that fits perfectly into any kitchen decor. It's not only powerful but also stylish. Another major plus is the variety of blades included. You get a stacked blade assembly for the pitcher, a dough blade, and a chopping blade for the processor bowl. This versatility is what sets the Ninja BL770 apart from other blenders. With all these features combined, the Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System truly earns its spot as a top contender in the kitchen appliance world. Whether you're blending, chopping, or mixing, this system is built to handle it all. And don't worry about the cleanup, most components are dishwasher safe, making it super convenient to keep your kitchen tidy. So, if you're looking for an appliance that does it all, the Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System might just be your new best friend in the kitchen. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. See you next time.